I have successfully built and delivered 30 chatbots for our clients in our AI automation agency. And today I want to share with you 5 secrets or lessons that I have learned while delivering all of these products, which will allow you to have better customer satisfaction and create better products for your clients. Let's get right into it. So the first lesson is that it's really important to manage expectations beforehand, such as your timeline, your deliverables, etc. The more you're going to set the expectations beforehand and make the deliverables and the timeline clear to the client, the easier it's going to be to work with them. And the most important part is that you need to over deliver. So set your expectations in a way where you can beat those expectations and create an even better solution or create it even faster for your clients. Number 2, complex solutions do not always mean that the solution is better. Sometimes real skill only reveals itself when you are able to find simple solutions to complex problems. And that is what you're going to be paid for. You don't always have to build out the craziest logic, the craziest flows, the craziest infrastructure for your clients. Sometimes a simple solution can be the best solution for your clients. So try and dial in and try and find easy and simple ways to solve your client's problem without going through all these hoops. Number 3, you need SOPs for your client delivery process. And SOPs are standard operating procedures. Now, what this would look like in the terms of delivering a client is that you need to document everything from the point where the client signs the contract and is onboarded as a client to the point where you deliver the final product and hand it over to the client. Everything in between, from knowledge base creation to prompt creation to building out the flows, the logic, setting up API requests, etc. All of these processes need to be documented. Otherwise, you're just going to be running around, tapping around in the dark for every single client. And if you want to deliver a large volume of products to a large volume of clients, in this example 30 plus, then you need to have processes for all of these different things. Otherwise, you're just going to get lost and you're going to waste a lot of precious time. Number 4, you need to be available to your clients. So what I always do with our clients is I make it clear to them that they can reach out to me any day of the week, at any time, day or night, with any issue or anything they want to tell me. And this opens up the direct conversation pipeline with your client, which gives them a much more satisfaction in working with you, because whenever there's an issue, whenever there's a new feature they're thinking about, whenever there's something that's not working, they won't hesitate and build up a grudge over time, but they'll just let you know right away. You can then tell them, hey, we can do this right away, or hey, we'll look into this issue, or hey, maybe this is something that we can tackle next month with another improvement that we're going to add into your solution. So getting those expectations straight right off the bat, where the communication pipeline is open, is going to increase your customer satisfaction so much longer, and it's going to allow you to keep your clients for much longer on a monthly retainer. And number 5 is that once you've delivered the final product, communication from your side should not be stopped. Especially after you deliver the final product, you should have SOPs, standard operating procedures, for when to check in with your clients. So what we do is the first 1 to 2 days, we manually check in on the solution of the client and we make sure that everything is running. We also send them a message 24 hours after the solution has gone live to see if they have any feedback, any issues, or anything at all they want to tell us. Then a week later, we reach out to them again. 2 weeks later, we reach out again and we schedule a call with them. And a month later, we have another call to ensure that everything's running smoothly. And then from 1 month onwards, we usually just reach out here and there, but we don't have standard procedures for that just yet. But making sure that you frequently reach out to clients after you've delivered, if you have them on a monthly retainer, is going to allow you to keep those clients happy for much longer, and they're going to trust you with everything in their business, and they're potentially going to come back for additional solutions. And those are 5 lessons which I've tried to condense into a really short video on how you can build better solutions for your clients and on how you can keep your clients happy and keep them with you for a long time. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and join our free resource hub in the description down below if you want access to all of our templates and guides.